Hello all, namaste and warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I am going to make luxurious fried sushi. So I hope after watching this video you will get basic knowledge about how to make deep fried sushi roll. Okay, firstly I'll make hosomaki salmon sushi roll. Normally for the fried sushi I'll use more or less 60 gram rice. Let's place the rice on the lining part of the nori sheet. It's called also alga. Now time to put salmon tira. I already made details video about how to make hosomaki salmon. You can check link on my description box. Let's roll hosomaki salmons. You can use water to close properly. Now I will make another hosomaki salmon. I will place the rice and going to put salmon. Leave one finger on the bamboo mat so it will be easy to closing time. Now I'm gonna roll it. Finally, my sushi roll is ready. This is almond. I'm gonna mix with the breadcrumb. It's called also panko. So deep fried sushi will be extra crunchy and more delicious. And it is tempura flour. And I have here cold water. You can use icy water also to keep the gluten from developing, so the butter will be more crunchier. Mix with tempura with water and make tempura butter. You can use 250 gram tempura flour and you can use 350 ml cold water. If you want to make a little bit more tempura butter, you can use 1 kg tempura flour with 1400 ml water. Okay. Now I want to mix almond with panko and I'm adding dry tempura flour for the sushi roll, so it will be more crispy, more crunchy, and it will stop oil to go inside the sushi roll during the deep fry time. Okay, it's time to do panko. So put the sushi roll inside the tempura butter and carefully took out and put back on inside the panko as well. I already mixed the almond. I hope it will grab more so it will be beautiful, crunchier and crispier. Let's add a little bit more panko and I'll do same process for the another sushi roll as you can see in the video. I am hurry to do deep fry. For oil temperature, it should be less than 174 degrees Celsius, or you can use 170 to 174 degrees Celsius. And nice, it looks like very extra crunchy and unique with almond because it's my first time. Let's see how it will be. I'm gonna dry it and we'll cut and make beautiful plating as well. Okay guys, finally I make the dry and I'm gonna cut this roll and you can hear the sound of the hot roll fried sushi. It's like a really crispier and really crunchy. I'm really excited to taste it. Okay, it is Philadelphia cream cheese. I love to make a little bit more spicy as well, so I'm adding sweet chili, and for sweetness you can use teriyaki sauces, and at last you can use different kinds of fruits for topping to make more sweeter. And I'm using here mango, raspberry and blackberry. For the final touch, I love to use spring onion always and sesame seeds as you can see in the video. Are you guys ready to make it at your home? Wish you good luck. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the sushi. Have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.